Today we will take few questions which are important from miscellaneous exercise. Question 1. It is given in an AP, you have to show that m plus nth term sum and m minus nth term sum of these two terms is twice of mth term in an AP. So let's go for this question. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. So first, since m plus nth term you have to find out. What is the formula of an? An equal a plus n minus 1d. So same formula we will apply it over here since it's an AP. So a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Since m plus n is the nth term, is the term over here, I am taking LHS here. And what about mn minus 1th term? This will be a plus m minus n minus 1d. Now according to the question, in LHS, sum of these two terms should be twice of a mth term. Twice of mth term. So add them. Equation 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. We will get a m plus n and m minus nth term. Add them together, 2a, take d common, so it will be m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1. This you will get it, okay, and it will be cancelled out. So you are getting the result 2a plus d and in the bracket 2m minus 2. Okay, this result you will get it. Now you can take 2 common from both the sides, from both the terms. So it will come as a m minus 1 d. This a m minus 1 d is which term? This is the mth term of a AP. So this is equals to twice a mth term, and this only we have to prove it. This is equals to RHS. So what we did, m plus nth term, m plus nth term and m minus nth term sum. Use the AP nth term formula, add them together to get the result. Okay. Now question 5th. Question 5th, I am taking only the important questions, selected questions from miscellaneous exercise. Question 5th is, find the sum from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 or 5. Which are divisible by 2 or 5. या तो वो 2 से डिवाइड हो या 5 से डिवाइड हो. But there will be a few numbers जो दोनों से भी डिवाइड होगा, isn't it? Like you can take the example as 50. 52 से भी डिवाइड होगा and 55 से भी डिवाइड होगा. Okay, so that also we have to take care. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में पूछा है या तो वो 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है या 5 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. So find the sum of that series. Number divisible by 2 from here. What are the numbers? 2, 4, 6 up to 100. These are the numbers. अब हम क्या करेंगे, आपको सम निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट इट्स सम. इसका सम निकाल लेंगे. फॉर दैट दिस विल बी दी एपी सीरीज और एपी सीरीज दिस इज. तो आप क्या करोगे, यू विल फाइंड आउट एन निकाल लेंगे. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट द एन, आप इस सीरीज का सम निकाल लो. ठीक है. Now, the number divisible by 5 from 1 to 100 are 5, 10, 15 and so on. So, it will be up to 100. Again in this part also, you will find out n first. number of terms, n निकाल लोगे, and after finding out the n, then you will find out S2, sum of all these terms. S2, since it forms a AP, then formula of sum is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then you will find out S2. Number divisible by, out of these, there will be few numbers which are divisible by 2 as well as by 5. So the number divisible by 2 and 5. Can you tell me what are the numbers which are divisible by 2 as well as by 5? First number is 10, then 20, 30 and so on up to 100. Now here also you will find out the n you will find out, and after finding out the n of this AP series you will find out the sum. अब क्वेश्चन में लिखा है फाइंड द सम फ्रॉम 1 to 100 विच आर डिविजिबल बाय ईदर 2 और 5. अब यहाँ पे आपके कुछ नंबर आ गए, उसका सम जो आ गया वो एक कुछ सम आपका आएगा 2 और 5 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है. आपको 2 और 5 निकालना है. सो व्हाट शुड बी द सम? इन दोनों के आंसर को प्लस कीजिए एंड वट एवर बी द कॉमन टर्म दैट यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. सो S1 plus S2 and subtract S3. Since we have to find out either it is divisible by 2 or by 5. That's why we will take the common which are divisible by 2 as well as with 5, that we will subtract it. Is it clear? Okay. Come to the question 6. In question 6, it is given find the sum of all 2 digits number which are divisible by 4. After dividing it with 4, it yields 1 as remainder. 2 digit number, और जब उसको हम 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, ऐसे नंबर्स 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, then the remainder will come as 1. So first we have to find out the numbers. What are the numbers which after which are divided by 4, it gives remainder as 1. Remainder as 1. Let's see. If you will look over here, 2 digit number. तो अगर हम देखते हैं 13 is the first number. 4 से इसको डिवाइड करते हैं, 12 आएगा and the remainder will come as 1. What should be the next number then? Next number will be, what it should be? Let's see, 17. Okay, then 21, then 25. In all these cases, if we will divide this with 4, then the remainder comes as 1. So, can you tell me what should be the 2 digit last number? क्या होना चाहिए कि वो 4 से डिवाइड हो, then remainder comes as 1. So let's see. The number will be 97, isn't it? Number will be 97. Now you have to find the sum of all 2 digit number. So can you find out which type of series it is? Which type of sequence it is? It's a gap of 4. So this is a AP series. Now you will find out its sum. Sum you will find out by using the formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 t. Is it clear? Question 7th. In question 7th, this is given if f is a function which satisfying f x plus y equal fx fy for all x y belongs to natural number such that f1 equal 3 and summation of fx from 1 to n is 120, then find the value of n. find the value of n. So in this, here it is given fx plus y equal fx fy. ये दिया हुआ है for all x y belongs to natural number. So what we will do? Take, since x and y belongs to natural number, so we will take x equal 1 and y equal 1. Now substitute this value over here. इसमें हम put करेंगे. So it will become 1 plus 1 equal f1 into f1. f1 value is given 3. So it will become, what it should be? f1 into f1. 3 is there. So it will be 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay. Now we will take next number, f1 plus 2. f1 plus 2. So what will you get it? f1 plus 2. According to this, f1 into f2. This number you will get it. और यहाँ पे ये देखिए, this is f2. So what will you get? f1 is 3 and f2 is 9. So it will come as 27. This is f3. This is f3. f3 you will get it as 27. Why we are doing it like this? देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Here it is given summation of fx from 1 to n. Means f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 up to n. इसका sum दिया हुआ है 120. So we have to find out f1, then f2. f1 is already there. Then we have to find out f2. f2 we have taken it as 9. Then we have to find out f3. So f3 we have got it as 27. Like this we will go further. Okay, so we will take the next number now. Okay, then we will find out the f4 value. f4 value, f1 is given 3 and f3 is given 27. So we will get the value as 81. अब क्वेश्चन में लिखा है it is given the sum of this from 1 to n is 120. Sum is given 120, means f1 plus f2 plus f3 up to n plus fn is given as 120. This thing is given. So if we will put the value f1 is 3, then f2, from here f2 is 9 and f3 is 27, f4 is 81 and so on. This sum is given as 120 and the question is that you have to find out n. You have to find out n. Look at this. Can you find out the type of series over here? What type of series it is? Tell me. किस टाइप की ये सीरीज है? 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 9 again 3. 81 divided by 27 again 3. So it forms a GP series. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Now we will use the sum formula of GP. Here we will use the GP formula. What is the sum of the GP? A and what is R? R is 3. R is 3. So A 3 power n minus 1 Rn minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is equals to 120. अब आप इसको आगे फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे बाय सॉल्विंग एट 3n minus 1 2. So it will be 2 multiply 120, cancel it, 3n equal 80 and minus 1 shift it on the other side, it will become 1. So 81, 3n will be 3 power 4. From here, n equal 4 you will get it. Is it clear? Question after question 7th, now we will take question 11th. In question 11th, it is given that the sum of all terms of GP in question 11, it is given a GP consists of even number of terms and sum of all terms is 5 times the sum of the terms occupy odd places. ये दिया हुआ है. Even number of terms of a GP is given and sum of all terms of GP equal 5 times the sum of the terms occupy odd places. So for this, since the GP is even here, so according to this, sum of all terms of GP, since it consists of even, so we will take first term, second term, third term up to even terms according to the question, up to even terms. This is equals to 5 times the sum of the terms occupy odd places. Sum of the term occupy odd places. तो odd places कौन सी होंगी? First, फिर third, then fifth and so on. So it will be first, sum, third, fifth and even terms हैं तो इससे previous term will be odd. So last term will be a 2n minus 1. ये हमारे पास दिया हुआ है. Now we have to find out the value of r here. The value of r. Here, the first term of GP, we will take it as a. According to this, a. Second term is ar square and so on up to कहाँ तक जाएगा ये? ar 2n तक है. 2n तक है. So last term will be what? It will be ar 2n minus 1. Isn't it? nth term अगर GP की है तो last term arn minus 1 होता है. nth term is an equal arn minus 1. Same way here the terms are up to 2n. So last term will be ar 2n minus 1. Okay. And this is equals to 5 times the sum of odd terms. First यहाँ पे देखिए, first term is a. This is the third term. What should be the third term? Third term क्या होगी? ar power 2. Then fifth term क्या होगी? Tell me. Like this you have to go for the, और ये कहाँ तक जाएगा? Plus ar. Last term is 2n minus 1. तो 2n minus 1 का क्या हो जाएगा? 2n minus 2. यहां तक आ जाएगा. Have you got it? Even terms का sum equal 5 times the sum of the odd. अब आपके पास ये terms आ गई. Now what should be the next step? क्या होगा इसमें step? You can take a common. A common आ जाएगा from both the sides. Or what you can do? You can use the GP formula. आप GP formula लगाइए. This is a GP. So what it should be? Sum of even terms. A, first term, a, r, n की जगह क्या आएगा? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट शुड बी इंस्टेड ऑफ n? नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. n की जगह क्या आएगा आपका यहाँ पे? r. टोटल टर्म्स आर 2n. 2n rn minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is equals to 5 times the sum of this GP. क्या होगा? A R. Now tell me what should be power of n here? n power क्या होगी यहां पे? R 5A R. देखिए what it should be. कितनी टर्म्स है ये? अगर हमारे पास पूरी टर्म्स 2n है एंड आउट ऑफ इवन टर्म्स आधी आपकी ऑड है, तो कितनी टर्म्स बच गई है आपके पास? व्हाट इट शुड बी. 2n है तो n टर्म्स हो गई आपके पास ऑड. तो आप कैसे, हाउ विल यू राइट इट देन? कैसे लिखेंगे? r. यहां पे आप बताएंगे व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ r. In this series, r is r. Here, what should be r? क्या होगा? r square power total terms are 2n और उसमें से odd terms, मान लीजिए total terms 10 है even, और इसमें से half will be odd. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 टोटल टर्म्स इवन आ गई आपके पास. अब अगर मुझे इसमें से ऑड टर्म्स निकालनी है तो 10 में से ऑड टर्म्स, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनी होंगी? 5 मींस 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. सो सेम थिंग ओवर हियर. टोटल टर्म्स आर 2n एंड आउट ऑफ विच द टर्म्स आर ऑड आल्सो. तो ये कितनी होगी? n minus 1 A Rn minus 1 upon R common ratio minus 1. This you will get it. अब कैसे करोगे इसको आगे? You will get this term. Now solve it. A R2n minus 1 upon R minus 1 5 A R2n minus 1 upon R square minus 1. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Okay, and A will be cancelled out, and here also the term will be cancelled out, so it will come as 1. Use the formula. Instead of this, A plus B, A minus B. So R minus 1 will be cancelled out. So the left over is 5 R plus 1. R plus 1 रह जाएगा. And now solve it by taking the cross multiplication. R plus 1 equal 5. So R equal 4. So you are getting R as 4 over here. Okay. Now come to the next question. Okay. Now next question. In question 12, it is given sum of first 4 terms of AP 56 and sum of last 4 terms as 1, 1, 2. And the first term is given as 11 and you have to find out the value of n. Since it's a AP, so let the number of terms of an AP as n. First 4 terms, we will take it as A, An, A2D, sorry, A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. So first 4 terms sum is 56 and what should be the last 4 terms? If we are taking the total number of terms as n, so last term will be An और उससे पहले वाली टर्म हो जाएगी An minus 1, An minus 2 and An minus 3. ये लास्ट की 4 टर्म्स हो गई. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज first four term sum is 56. So first four term sum is 56 and the value of A is given in the question as 11. Solve करेंगे, you will get the D value as 2. Okay. Now the sum of the last four terms, the sum of the last four terms is 112. तो हम last four terms का sum देखते हैं. So this is a plus n minus 1d plus इसको लेते हैं. So what it will be? A plus n minus 2d plus इसका लेते हैं a plus n minus 3d plus a plus n minus 4d. This is equals to, its sum is given 112. ये दिया हुआ है. Okay, and the value of A, if you will solve it, it will come as 4A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4A plus you can take D common. तो आपके पास क्या रह जाएगा? If you will take D common, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4n minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6, minus 10, minus 10. This is equals to 112. अब what will you do? क्या करेंगे? You have to find out the value of n. D value is given as 2, A value is 11. Substitute over here. Instead of A, you will put its value 11 plus D value is given as 2, 4n minus 10 equal 112. अब इसको solve कीजिए and you will get the value of n. Is it clear? In next class, we will take the remaining questions of miscellaneous, important questions of miscellaneous in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.